Hi and welcome to the Easter set. This is just to show you how to do it. Roll out your fondant, pick out what you want from the board, place it onto the fondant, press firmly with a smoother, lift up with one finger at one side and it'll make an indent into your fondant. Do that with all of them. As you can see there, they're all there, but I did them a bit close together so I couldn't cut them all out in the end, as you will see. Get your paints. I tend to use the air paints for the spray gun. Just paint them up how you want to paint them and then just cut them with your cutter, leave them to dry, and then you can put them on top of your cupcakes. Thanks for watching.